Morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are healthy at your home with your parents. Okay. Lakshmi Thandya. And please share this video in the both classes, section A as well as in section B. So all will attend the classes. Please send it first in both section, section A, section B. Please send it first. Now 9th B, please I request class 9th B student, please send this link in the WhatsApp group. 9th B, 9th A already sent. Prasoot Joshi already sent, one more student sent the link, but 9th B, please send this link in 9th B. Okay, now I am starting the question number 18. Question number 18. Yesterday this question was left because it is a lengthy question. Question number 18. First write the given things. What are the given in this question? And now I am writing given QX and RX are the bisector. QX and RX are the bisector. First of all, draw a figure. Okay, first of all, we have to draw the figures. It is our P, Q, and point R. Okay, one more point at this position. This is X. This is our point number X, and here is T. Next, below this is S point, angle is 90. Here angle is 90. Next, XR. Okay. Next one is QX. Next one is QX. In this format, the points are given in the triangle PQR. Okay, one thing is given, QX and RX are the bisector. QX and RX are the bisector of angle Q. Angle Q and angle R. Angle Q and angle R. Okay, next, respectively of the triangle PQR, if QX, okay, XS perpendicular on QR, XS perpendicular QR, XT perpendicular on PQ. The question is to prove what we have proved here. To prove what? First part is the very simple one. Triangle XTQ congruent to triangle XTQ congruent to triangle XSQ. This is our first part of this question. Okay, we have to first prove triangles are congruent. Triangles are congruent. Please send this video in the 9th B. Okay, today the less students are connected, but hope all will connected first. Now first proof. How can we prove this triangle is congruent? This is our main question. Prove that the first triangle is congruent here. Now how can we prove it is congruent? देखो XTQ. First of all, write all the things are given. It is given here. Listen, QX is the bisector of angle Q. So QX is the bisector. Listen this thing. This is our QX. QX is the bisector of angle Q. It means this line is dividing this angle in two equal parts. This is the meaning of bisector. Okay, here is the meaning of QX is bisecting angle Q. Listen this thing. Remember this point on your mind. If you have given a point, a line is bisecting an angle, so that means the angle is divided into two equal parts. If angle is X, so this is also X. If this angle is 30 degree, to another angle also 30 degree. Okay, this is the meaning. Next, similarly RX bisecting angle R. It means angle R is divided into two equal parts. So this angle is Y, so this is also Y. It is the meaning of this statement. Okay, next QS perpendicular XS perpendicular on QR. It means it subtends a 90 degree angle on QR. Next XT, this is 90 at PQ. These things are given in our question. Prove that XTQ. Identify where is XTQ. XTQ, this triangle. Okay, prove that this triangle is congruent. XSQ, prove that these two triangles are congruent. Very simple one. What is the problem? Nothing is the problem here. Okay, so in a triangle, first in a triangle XTQ and another triangle XSQ, prove that these two are congruent here. One angle is 90, one angle is 90, angle is 90. Next one is one more angle here is this is equal to this because it is given QX is the bisector. Two angles are equal. Two angles are equal. To prove that any one third, so third is side is remaining. To prove that side is remaining. QX is common side for this triangle as well as for second triangle. Means QX is coming in both triangle. So sir, prove here. Okay, by the property of angle side. Now first we can write this angle and this angle are 90. Now how can we denote it? XTQ, because T is 90, to T we can write at center. Yeah, it is your choice. You can write QTX, QTX. Okay, QTX you can write in this way. Okay, so first angle in the triangle XTQ, angle QTX is equal to angle in triangle XSQ, this angle is also 90. So QX and X. Okay, so Q, S and X each 90 degree. मैं अपनी तरफ से नहीं ले रहा हूँ because this is given in our question, so I am writing this way. Okay, next one is QX. Here we can write QX bisecting angle Q. So therefore this angle is divided into two equal parts. So first angle is this, first angle is upside, second angle is below. So how can we write this angle? This is divided into two parts, one and second part. Here X, this is T and Q and S. We can write first angle by TQX because we are taking this angle. So Q will be at center. So TQX. Yeah, otherwise you can write XQT. Okay, and second angle XQS. Yeah, otherwise XQS. Okay, so this is the way to write it. The first second Q point. Okay, and then after that not S. Total side of X is equal to angle XQX. Okay, SQX. Okay, both are bisecting, so they will be equal. Two angles are equal. Next one is QX is equal to QX, common side in the both triangle. तो common side है, दोनों साइड एक ही चीज है, इक्वल है. तो therefore triangle, what triangle? XTQ congruent to triangle XSQ by the property of, by which property? Tell me first. Two angle and one side. So angle side. Here you can write angle side angle by the postulate. It is given postulate this property. By the postulate of angle side, triangles are congruent. This is the first part. But the main and the lengthy part is second part. The main part is our second one part. Now it is a turn of second part. Okay, this is the turn of second part. Now the second part is second part. What is our second? The second part is given here. Prove that PX bisects the angle P. PX bisects the angle P. PX bisect the angle P. Tell me where is the PX? This is PX. Okay, so join PX. Join PX. And the question is PX bisect means divide the angle P. PX bisect angle P. It means prove that these two angles are equal. कहने का मतलब कुछ क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि PX इस एंगल P को टू इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है, ये प्रूव करना है. तो हाउ कैन वी प्रूव दैट दिस side, this line is dividing this angle in two equal parts? So first I am explaining the solution. Okay, listen it carefully. How can we prove it? Listen it carefully. Are you ready? Tell me fast. Are you ready? चलो listen. Since triangle XTQ congruent to triangle XSQ. So can we say that these two sides are equal by the property of CP/CTC? By the property of CP/CT. So we can say therefore XT is equal to XC by CP/CT. By CP/CT. XT is equal to XC by CP/CT. By CP/CT. Okay, is it clear? Clear, sir? P. Okay, now one thing we have to do here, one thing we can do here, from this point X, draw perpendicular on PR. From the point X, draw a perpendicular on PR. Let this point is M. This is the change in this question. So this question is length given. Okay, draw a perpendicular from the point X on PR. Okay, draw a perpendicular what? XM, perpendicular XM. Here we can write XM perpendicular on PR. Let this point is M. अब कुछ चीजें करनी है सर. How can we prove? तो can you prove that XRS and XRM are congruent? Can you prove that XRM yeah, XSR and second is MPR. Okay, MPR. थोड़ा बताओ जरा क्या करना है, then otherwise I am explaining this question. Okay, चलिए देखो इधर. Now taking these two triangle, now inner triangle, listen it, ध्यान से सुनना, मैं साथ साथ में बता रहा हूं. ट्राइंगल XSR and triangle XMR. Prove that. यहां से हमने धीरे यहां पहुंचना है. ध्यान रखना, डायरेक्ट इसमें नहीं हो पाएगा. ठीक है, here slowly we are going outside. Please listen it carefully. Prove that. First join XM, draw a perpendicular XM on PR. Now after that taking this triangle and this triangle, prove that this and this is congruent. So can you prove that these two triangles are congruent? Yes sir, because it is given. क्यों मैंने ये triangle लिया? Why I am taking this triangle? Why I am taking these two triangles? Because we have given the condition in our question. अपनी तरफ से कुछ नहीं ले रहा हूँ. Okay, ये condition में तो given थी starting में. It is given that XR is bisector of angle R. So these two angles are equal. It is given in our question. So I am starting from these two triangle. Okay, to draw XM of perpendicular. Why I am drawing the perpendicular? Because in this triangle this side is perpendicular. So we are taking perpendicular. So prove that. First of all, prove that these two triangles are congruent. So देखो, one angle and one angle is equal. Done. Second, one angle, this is 90, so this is also 90. So 90 here also 90. Here also 90. So two angle is equal. Third XR is common. Okay. So देखो sir. Now angle, this angle 90. So XSR, angle XSR is equal to angle. नहीं समझ में आ रहा, ध्यान से सुनते रहो, फिर से बताऊंगा एक बार अभी. XMR is equal to XMR, each 90 degree. Next one is this angle. since it is given that x are bisecting angle R. It is given in our question, given in our book. Therefore, these two angles are also equal. We can represent it by SRX. This angle. Second, MRX is equal to angle MRX. Two angles are equal. Next, XR is equal to XR. Common side in the both triangle. Now देखो two angles are equal. So what we need prove here? One side. To prove that side, the side is common side. So one side and two angles are equal. So therefore, triangle, which triangle? XSR is congruent to triangle XMR by the property of angle side. By the property of angle side. Two triangles are congruent. So when the two triangles are congruent, so by CPCTC we can say that their corresponding side and corresponding angles are also equal. ओके अभी भी क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ सर, ध्यान रखना अभी भी क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ. अभी देखते हैं क्या होगा आगे. ठीक है. नाउ व्हेन these two triangles are congruent, so can we represent it? Therefore this side और this side is also equal. ये भी क्या हो जाएगा? By CPCTC, XC side of this triangle and XM side of the another triangle are also equal by CPCTC corresponding side. This is corresponding, these are the corresponding and these two are also corresponding. तो XC is equal to XM. हो गया. क्या दिक्कत? Nothing. अब क्यों मैंने एक चीज किया? Why I am proving these two sides are equal? Because I already mentioned one thing at the starting. XT is equal to XS. XT is equal to XS or XS is equal to XM. It means XT is equal to XC, okay, or XC is equal to XM. It means this 90 side and this 90 side, all three are equal. Why I am proving these three sides are equal? Because we need prove that these two angles are equal. And at the starting of this chapter and every question I am saying to you, said to you, whenever you have asked prove that angle are equal, side are equal, so that time we need prove that triangles are congruent. To prove that, now you can prove that this triangle or this triangle are congruent. Can you prove it? देखो, first this angle is 90, straight line, this is also 90. One angle in this, now say next step in these two triangle, this angle is 90. One side is common. Now we need proof that these two angles are equal. अब अगर मैं ये चीज नहीं करता, if we are not proving these two sides are equal, one angle 90, one side is common, we have only two condition. हमारे पास सिर्फ दो कंडीशन थी, इसलिए मैंने एक और एक्स्ट्रा कंडीशन प्रूव कर दी, x is equal to xm. तो यहाँ से क्या रिलेशन बनेगा? Therefore this is first condition and this is our second condition. From first and second, देखो xt is equal to xt और xs is equal to xt is equal to xt. Okay, xs or xx is equal to xm. Can we say that xt is equal to xm, xt is equal to xm. Okay, अब क्या करना है? इन दोनों ट्रायंगल को ले लो. Now taking triangle, now in a triangle PTX and triangle PMX. Prove that both are congruent. And when you prove these two triangles are congruent, so these two angles are also equal. That is the question. Okay, to prove that triangle are congruent, one angle PTX, triangle PTX is equal to angle PMX is equal to angle PMX. Next, PTM is equal to PTX is equal to PMX. Next यहाँ पर इधर each 90 degree. Next, this side XT या TX is equal to XM. I already proved here. XM. Okay, already proved. Next, PX is equal to PX is equal to PX. Okay, it is common side. So tell me please tell me first which property we will take here. Which property we will take here so that triangles are congruent. Please tell me first. Tell me. देखो 90 good. This side is front of the 90, hypotenuse, and one another side. So by RHS, some are thinking side angle side. No, side angle side is not possible here, because in the case of side angle side, two side and one angle between the two side. Here is the one side, this side, but angle is coming along with another side. So side angle side is not possible. So RHS. So therefore triangle PTX congruent to triangle PMX by RHS. So if the two triangles are congruent, so these two angles are also equal. These two angles are also equal. So we can say that TPM. How can we represent this angle? TPX. So TPX is equal to MPX is equal to MPX. If this angle is x, so this is also x. I already proved here. So it means this line PX is dividing this angle P into equal part. So finally we can say that P is a PX is a bisector. PX is a bisector of angle P. This is our question. Okay. Tell me first, is it clear? Otherwise, once again I explain this one. Please tell me first, is it clear or not?
वो मैसेज भी नहीं आ रहे ना अब वैसे नेट स्लो चल रहा है बाहर पे स्लो चल रहा है
Please tell me first, is it clear or not? Rahul Rawat, very good. Sir, screen is not clear. Sir, एक मिनट है. Sir, screen is clear. You can check here. Your screen is clear, sir. Okay. In my mobile, screen is coming properly. Means display is clear. Okay. Maybe Sakshi, from your side, network problem. Change the position of camera. Good. Very good. Okay, sir. थोड़ी slide बंद हो गई. इसकी light आ रही है. Yes. Clear. Tanishq, please check your net quality. Okay, listen here. Once again I am repeating this question. Okay, once again I am repeating this question. Question is second part. Prove that PX bisecting angle P. Question is prove that PX bisecting angle P. Means prove that these two angles are equal. So how can we prove that these two angles are equal? By using the property of congruency. इस चीज को दिमाग में छाप लो कि जब भी साइड और एंगल इक्वल पूछे तो क्या प्रूव करना है? Prove that triangles are congruent. So how many triangles are found here? two triangles are formed here. How many triangles are formed in this situation? Two triangles are formed. One is PTX and second is PMX. PTX and PMX are the two triangles are formed. How can we prove these two triangles are congruent? Okay, so this time we not need, it is not given here, it is equal. We need to prove that these angles are equal. हमें तो prove करना है. So one angle is 90, no problem. Join the XM, draw a perpendicular. So this is 90, this is also 90. One angle is equal. Next, PX is the common side. One angle and one side we prove equal. Now what is the third? You can prove third side, या angle, या any another thing. Okay, so what thing we can prove here, sir? One thing we can prove here, one angle is 90, one is common side. So two options are remaining. One is side angle side and second is RHS. Second is RHS. So any one side या any another angle prove that side is equal. अब कुछ हो नहीं रहा था, इसलिए मैंने कहां से दिमाग लगा दिया? यहां से, because it is given in our question. मैंने डायरेक्ट ऐसे भी नहीं लगाया, it is given, क्योंकि in the first part it is not used. So I am using these two triangles. So first of all prove that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so then these two sides are equal, and from the first condition these two are equal, so all three are equal. So at last xt is equal to xm. So one more side is equal. So by the property of RHS, triangle are congruent, and when the triangle are congruent, so these two angles, corresponding angles are also equal. And corresponding angle are equal, so it means this angle, these two angles are equal. So we can say that PX dividing the angle P in two equal parts. So that is our question here. Okay, that is our question here. Okay, abhi koi problem? Tell me now. Anyone problem? Please tell me first. शिवम नहीं, ओके सर, क्लियर, यस सर, नो प्रॉब्लम. अच्छा, एक साक्षी कार्की, आई रिक्वेस्ट टू साक्षी कार्की सर, प्लीज check which connection is better in your place. Okay, because you are always facing the problem. Okay, you are always facing the connectivity problem. Sometimes you are facing the display problem. Sometimes you are facing the network problem. So I request to you, please check a better connection at your place. Okay, you can check your Idea and Airtel. Idea and Airtel are better in this place. Okay, in your colony. So hope you will resolve this problem. Okay, otherwise you will face the many problem in the upcoming classes. Now the important point. Next topic is isosceles triangle. Okay, next one is isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, now I am not taking the isosceles triangle in this time. In this time I am not taking isosceles triangle because we need the maximum time to introduce the isosceles triangle, and now I have only the 5 or 6 minutes to ending this class. Okay, so in the tomorrow class, in the tomorrow lecture, I will start your new concept with a new energy, that is isosceles triangle. And one thing I am repeating, sir, अगर आपको इस क्लास में भी समझ में नहीं आता है तो आपको फिर थोड़ा सा हार्ड वर्क करने की जरूरत है. ठीक है, खुद से ट्राई करो, प्लीज ट्राई टू सेल्फ, so you will understand better. Okay, and one thing, how many students are ready to solve the extra question? How many students are ready to solve the extra question? So I will provide the between 5 to 10 questions based on congruency in your WhatsApp group at evening time. When you are ready, then I will send. If you are not ready, then I will not send. Okay, so please tell me first, how many are ready? Yes or not? Please tell me first. So you will learn about the congruency. Otherwise, you have given limited question in our books. Okay, when you check the last year books, there are 2 or 3 exercises based on the congruency. But this time we have only single exercise, and questions are different in each cases. All the questions having the different concepts. But when you solve the last year book, means last year publication books, so that is beneficial for you. So yes, okay, only 5 6, okay, 5, so many are ready, very good, very good, very good. So at evening time I will provide 5 to 10 assignment, we can say that a practice question assignment, 5 to 10 questions based on the congruency. So I request try to solve these questions, okay. हाँ, ना लिया करो सर, यहाँ तक स्मेल आ रही है, ये प्रॉब्लम है तुम्हारे साथ ठीक है, कुछ तो नाश्ता भी कर रहे होंगे साथ साथ में, तब भी पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे, तो इतना एक एडवांटेज ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का आप लोगों के लिए है कि घर बैठे आप लोगों के पास स्कूल आ रहा है सीधा, ठीक है. So now thank you, then tomorrow we will meet again and please try to solve the question I will provide you at the evening time, okay. So now thank you sir.